Good afternoon and welcome to our presentation. Our presentation is on the Australian Government proposal for the investment of solar roof panel implementation and conversion through state and federal government funding. I hope you find this presentation interesting, insightful and inspiring. Our goal is to provide you with a clear reason and result for your investment in the delivery of clean energy in Australia through the use of solar energy via the conversion of traditional roof construction to the modern Tesla solar panel system. Also integrated with the Tesla Powerwall battery to store the clean energy to be used anytime, at night or during a power outage. When we ask ourselves, what is the Tesla solar roof system? These key points can help explain. 1. The Tesla solar roof is a building integrated photovoltaic system which takes the technology of solar panels and integrates it into roof tiles. 2. A home with Tesla roof tiles fully installed would have both a protective and complete roof and the capacity to generate electricity from solar energy, without the need to install solar panels also. And thirdly, solar tiles, like Tesla's product, alleviates a common concern about solar, which is aesthetics. By installing the Tesla solar roof, there is no need to install unsightly solar panels to generate electricity. How can this system help? It can help by generating electricity with solar energy systems instead of fossil element fuels that can hugely reduce greenhouse gas emissions, in particular CO2. Secondly, when using solar panels instead of relying on a regular utility company, it can help cut the cost of your electricity bill by up to 50% per month. Thirdly, clean energy is derived through solar systems directly from the sun. Using solar panels on your home also helps combat greenhouse gas emissions and reduce our overall dependence on fossil fuel. When you ask yourself, what are the benefits? Some of the benefits, such as social perception of governments, whom are willing to invest in the development of a better future, will be embraced by the voting public. Secondly, environmental improvement due to a cleaner country is part of the social perception which people are looking for leadership on. And thirdly, your financial investment now in the crossover from fossil fuels to the future of renewables will result in further investment from the private sector, generating improved economies of scale to reduce the cost for the government after it has stepped up and reduced the cost of utilities for the consumers. When we are tracking the value generated from the initial investment, there are some key areas we can look at for feedback. One being political polling feedback at both state and federal levels. Second, media interaction by the government and the publicity generated. And thirdly, a reduction in the need for the government to invest in fossil fuel infrastructure. The initial investment can be listed in 3 points. 1. The initial grant for product deposit to generate interest in the public and media conversation. Secondly, public housing investment to lead by example. This is very important to generate security in the private sector, with financial guarantees followed to generate extra security in implementation from the public for private investment.